Now see in this example, find velocity of efflux of water from an orifice near the bottom of a tank in which pressure is this. So, pressure is given to you 500 gram force per centimeter square. You have to convert it into SI unit. So, it will be here 500 upon 1000 into 9.8 to convert into Newton, that is here into 10 raised to power minus 4 meter square. And this you will be getting here 500 into 98 meter square. Now, suppose h is the depth of the hole from the above surface. So, we can write pressure is already given h rho g h, h rho g. So, you can calculate h is equal to P upon rho g, that is equal to 500 into 98 divided by density is given to of the density of water, that is 10 raised to power 3 into g is 9.8. So, now here if you solve it, that you will be getting 10. So, this and this cancel, so you will be getting 5 meter. So, hole is made 5 meter below the surface. Now, you can calculate easily velocity of a flux. So, V is equal to, we can take under root of 2 GH. So, that is under root of 2 into 9.8 into 5, that you will be getting V is equal to 9.89 meter per second. So, this is the velocity of a flux.